How to fix Apple ID account locked. To fix an Apple ID account locked error, first of all, unlock your account using the two-factor authentication. If you have access to a trusted device like your iPhone or iPad or your trusted phone number, you can unlock it instantly. You simply have to open the lock notification on your screen or visit the apple.com and then enter your Apple ID email address, input your trusted phone number to confirm your identity, then follow the prompts sent to your trusted Apple device to reset your password and unlock your account. You can also use the Apple Support application on a borrowed device. And you can also check for the account not active status by simply looking for the Request Access button on your device's screen to submit a recovery request. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.